So this is Desert Winds Apartments, 21420 North 23rd Ave in Phoenix. Property being offered by Orion. 3-story wood frame. Glass building. Fence around the property. Wood appears to be made. There's, however, an issue with the paving here in the center. A couple of spots will have to be patched. Exterior balconies. The center courtyard, pool area. This is the parking area in the back. This wooden fence all the way around. So you've got a lower level. Appears to be new doors and changing some of the doors in the property. Air conditioning units on the roofs. Regular shingle roofs. Doesn't appear to be too much deferred maintenance here. This walks us down to the front. It appears to be individually metered. This is the view from the front of the property on North 23rd. We're just south of Deer Valley here, not far from Highway 17, major north-south artery. Predominantly industrial, light industrial in the area. This building's only 2 stories. Would appear at one point probably these buildings were built at the same time. But this is a different property here next to it. And there is a competitor, Deer Valley Village, just in the distance. The beige and brown roofs, that's all 1-bedroom units up there. Not a lot of landscaping. Exterior appears to be in good shape. How you doing? So this is Desert Winds Apartments, 21420 North 23rd Ave. So a little laundry machine. That's I guess the machines, you own the machines?
No, they're not. They are from a web company.
Web? Okay, gotcha.
But we pay the energy. That used to be.
Okay, so this is apartment 302. So carpet and vinyl in the kitchen.
They're brand new.
Yeah.
Paint.
Paint appliances. All right. So how much does this 1-bedroom rent for?
$425.
$425. And I noticed their tenants pay their own electricity?
Yes.
Okay, and is that the air conditioning is also paid for by the tenant, or you
yes.
pay?
Yeah, but
tenant pays for all the utilities then. What about sewer?
It's included.
Included? Okay.
Yeah. And the trash removal too.
Right. So how much did you say the rent was?
$425.
$425. All right, great.
Let me show you 301.
All right. So this is the 4 studios that they have. Basically, it's like really a small 1-bedroom. You got a living room area here, open to the kitchen area. New appliances. And here the idea would be to open up this small opening and close perhaps the top and put a door in here and make it into a bedroom. And then here you have a small bedroom area with closet and a nice bathroom with one sink. So I think there's a way to make this into a decent small one bedroom. There's 4 out of 28 that are this size.